Today we're gonna make this fig spicy margarita. I'm Nikki Gleckis and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. To get started on making our fig simple syrup, we're gonna use equal parts of sugar and water. Here I'm using half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar. And I'm using 3 figs cut into 4. And we're gonna let that cook until our sugar has dissolved and our figs have infused with our syrup. So our syrup is ready. I'm gonna let this cool. We're gonna blend it and then strain out the figs. Now that our simple syrup has cooled, I'm gonna put this right into, you can use any blender, blend this up. And this simple syrup you can make ahead of time and you can use it for multiple cocktails. Now we have that pretty color for the holidays. And we'll just strain it. We'll pour that through. Then you're gonna be left with a nice, smooth, simple syrup. So we've discarded all of the skin of our fig and our simple syrup is ready. Now we can get started on making our cocktails. Tequila is my favorite alcohol and I love to make different margaritas. Many people think that margaritas are a summer cocktail, but adding this fig simple syrup will give it a great holiday twist. So we're gonna make a spicy fig margarita. To get started, we're gonna measure out the amount of ice that we need for our glass. Pour that in our cocktail shaker. Next, we're gonna use jalapeno tequila, 2 ounces of tequila. There we go. 2 ounces of our fig simple syrup. Get that in there. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. This is gonna add a little bit of our sweetness and also it's gonna give it great color. So we'll put that in there. Next, for our glass, usually with the spicy margarita, I'll do a spicy rim, but for this one, I'm gonna actually use honey and sugar. I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is like my new favorite cocktail. Coat that in sugar, and we're gonna shake that up. Shake that up. Oh, look at that. I can smell the tequila. It smells so good. And sugar, and we're gonna garnish this with fresh figs. And this one's all mine. Can't wait for you to try this. Leave me a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.